I would like to invite Dr. Y. Padmanabha Reddy sir to deliver the welcome speech.
Very good morning to all of you. Respected dignitaries on the dais, my colleagues, Dr. Vijay Chidrava, Director R&D, and my another colleague, Dr. Somsekhar Reddy, Head of Pharmacology Department, and today's resource persons, Dr. Sridhar Reddy Garu, Senior General Manager, heading the Global Pharmacovigilance section at Hetero Labs, Hyderabad, and another, the guest of today, Dr. C. Prabhakar Reddy, Associate Professor, working with Department of Clinical Pharmacology and Therapeutics, Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad, and one more guest yet to arrive from Bangalore, Mr. Krishnanand, who is working as Senior Group Leader at Viatris, Bangalore, and my dear colleagues sitting before me, and today's delegates who have registered for this one-day national seminar being organized at RIPER. I welcome you all once again on behalf of RIPER family. Heartfelt greetings, all of you. Really, since the beginning of this academic year, that is from June onwards, we are planning to have a series of lectures or the lectures to be delivered by the guests, particularly those who are having rich experience and expertise in that particular areas, maybe working with industries or research institutes. We are targeting and we are planning to have such series of lectures, maybe every month, calling the guests from various organizations, and to planning to organize such events at our institute for the benefit of the students, particularly the PG students as well as the final year B.Pharm students and PharmD students. And I hope today's topic is very useful one, that is pharmacovigilance and clinical research, and these are the two areas where number of opportunities are coming nowadays for the young budding pharmacists. Particularly the clinical research as well as the pharmacovigilance. The guests who have been called for or who have been identified for today's seminar are having high exposure and expertise in these areas, and I am sure that all the delegates will definitely get benefited out of their expertise. And for the sake of the guests, I would like to briefly introduce the institute, origin of our institute. This institute, Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, was established by a group of pharmacy teachers in the year 2002 with the beginning of B.Pharm course, and later on, year by year, we are able to add the courses like Diploma Pharmacy, M Pharmacy in 7 specializations, and Doctor of Pharmacy, as well as PharmD Postbaccalaureate, and PhD in Pharmaceutical Sciences. And RIPER is having NB accreditation as well as NAAC A-grade accreditation and also an autonomous institute, and it's being ranked every year in the national ranking framework which is being organized by the Government of India Ministry of Human Resources, HRD department, and this year also we have secured 71st rank because particularly we are trying to improve this rank to bring it down to a much lower level, but as all pharmacy institutes, whether it may be of university, constituent college or university college or maybe the standalone institutes are being clubbed in same group, we are not succeeding in achieving a better rank year by year. Still we are putting our best efforts, and as far as today's delegates are concerned, as I was informed that totally around 200 student delegates have been registered, out of which around 30 are from other institutes. And the morning two sessions are going to be taken by these two resource persons, Dr. R.Y. Sridhar Reddy Garu on methods and reporting of ADR to regulatory authorities and ADR reporting tools used in pharmacovigilance, and the another one is the guidelines for preparation of clinical trial document by Sri Prabhakar Reddy Garu. Just now, during my interaction with Prabhakar Reddy Garu and Sridhar Reddy Garu, it was told that Prabhakar Reddy Garu has involved in the clinical trials from the beginning itself of this COVID vaccine, Covaxin. He was involved from day one in the clinical trials of that particular vaccine, and he is having it. That itself, you can have the knowledge, you can think of his capabilities, okay, or caliber. And equally, Sridhar Reddy Garu is also equally competent. He is graduated from KLE, and later on he did his doctorate program in clinical clinical research area only. Okay, so with these few words, I would like to thank on behalf of the institute, on behalf of the management, on behalf of the faculty, on behalf of the students, the today's resource persons who have come all the way from Hyderabad to enlighten you, to bring or to provide you as much as knowledge as possible, particularly in these two areas, pharmacovigilance and clinical research, to all of you. And I hope all of you will enjoy this session, and hope, and also I insist you all to interact freely. You have to interact freely as much as you can. Then only you will be having much knowledge. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. And one more thing is, I would like to thank the organizers, particularly Dr. Ramalingeshwara. Today is not there, but he is the key person who has put his best effort to bring the resource persons. He is the one, and also Dr. Somsekhar Reddy and Sudhir, who have taken excellent efforts to make this event a successful one. Thank you, one and all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.